Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a Patek Philippe annual calendar moon phase in rose gold with an olive green dial on a dark green leather strap. The model reference number for this watch is 5205R, and the retail price of this watch in 2022 is $55,590 US. This is the 18-karat rose gold version with an olive green sunburst dial. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the strap, and I'll give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. The 5205R is a 40mm watch from my thumb to my pointer finger here. That's the case size. It's a rather large watch for most Patek Philippe's. There is some noticeable heft to the watch. The case is made out of rose gold. This 40mm 5205R is one of only a few Pateks that have cases over 40mm. There's the 40mm 5524 Calatrava Pilot, 42mm 5905 annual calendar, the 40.5mm day date annual calendar 5960, and the 40.5mm 5235 regulator, and also the 5172 complications chronograph. Now this case is rated at 30 meters, or about 100 feet of water resistance. So you can go swimming with this watch on your wrist, but you're probably not going to along with this leather bracelet. Let's go ahead and try this watch on for size, just get a feel for what it looks like on your wrist. Get that in focus here. Beautiful look for that watch. So you notice the lugs are not going over my wrist. This watch would fit my wrist just fine. For reference, my wrist is just under 7 inches. That's 6.75 inches. And this watch will fit just fine as a 40mm watch. Let's go ahead and bring your attention to the side profile of this case. You can see this concave and skeletonization of the lugs. Beautifully worked. And also you can see that the bezel itself as well is concave as well. This Patek's play on light. Really interesting. This watch, even though it's a 40mm watch, it doesn't feel as large as other brands that are 40mm cases. Patek actually measures from the case rather than the bezel, like some companies like AP, Audemars Piguet. Their watches seem a lot larger as a 40mm watch than this would. This watch is definitely easier to wear, doesn't feel clunky on the wrist. It'll easily slip under a cuff. Going on the dial, we're looking at this beautiful olive green sunburst section calendar dial with rose gold index hour markers and sword-shaped hour minute hands. It's a beautiful dial. The center of the olive green dial gradually fades to black on the outside of the dial. And we are looking at a calendar dial where the day here is at the 10:30 position. You have the date at the 12 o'clock position and the month at the 1:30 position window. And you also notice that there's a moon phase here at the 6 o'clock subdial. Beautiful. The crown on the 3 o'clock position here can be wound in its first position. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving just fine. Second position out, it's going to be able to change. Get that out. Can be able to adjust the hour and minute hands. You might be wondering how to adjust the calendar and the moon phase. I'll get to that in a little bit. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 324S QA LU 24-hour 206 self-winding annual calendar movement. It's made up of 356 parts, has the hour, minute, annual calendar, and moon phase. And power reserve is about 55 hours since it's self-winding movement, so it's going to keep itself wound while you have it on your wrist. Going on to the side where we see these two little buttons that are on the edge of the case that would actually adjust if you use your little Patek pen here, pin pusher. This comes along with your watch. You would use this to actually press the buttons here on the left and right. I'm not going to do it because I'm afraid of scratching the case, but if you're pressing the bottom left of the case, it's going to be able to adjust the moon phase section of the dial. The top left is going to be able to adjust the day here. Right now it says Friday. And the top right is going to adjust the date function. And this 1:30 position is going to be adjusted by the bottom right button pusher here. Once you have those set, then you probably want to put this either wear this watch or put it in a watch winder if you don't want to have to deal with setting those complications again. Now going on the strap that holds this watch, we're looking at a black alligator strap. It has a matching rose gold tang buckle. This tapered strap looks really elegant, proper for this watch. Reminds me of tuxedo shoes. It's a very classic looking watch. It's very nice. As far as what I think about this watch, Patek Philippe makes some great timepieces, what few of us are ever going to see on our wrist. The price is just out of reach for most of us, but that doesn't mean we can't appreciate the watch for what it is. This is a 40mm rose gold annual calendar moon phase. Now if you want to know where to get this watch, you have it on our website at jazztime.com. The model reference number again is 5205R. This is the Patek Philippe annual calendar moon phase in rose gold with an olive green dial. Now again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com, and thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.